Hi guys, we're doing a really quick live today. Well, this morning because I need to do something later. So let me get my phone set up here. I'm going to show you how I attach a cable tie mount to the back of the wreath rails if you don't request to have holes in it. So I didn't have any more black cable tie mounts, so I'm just going to show you with this one here. If you don't know what this is, they look like this, and they have these holes on the side, and that's what you slide your string, or I use a pipe cleaner or jute string, wire, whatever you're going to use to hang it with, and that's what you attach to the back. So I have this one that we did a while back. I'm going to show you how I do it on here. Alrighty. Good morning. Hello everybody. So on the back of the cable tie mount, it has this thing here. Just take this off, okay? And you could throw that away, you don't need that. This is sticky, so I talk about it all the time. I use DAP Rapid Fuse Glue. You can get it at a hardware store. I know some people use Gorilla Glue, which is fine. I just prefer DAP, so use what you have. You want it needs to be like a super glue, like super glue. Okay, so this is what I do. Just don't get it on your fingers, okay? Take it and I just do like a little swirly here, if it'll come out like that. Let's see if we can see it. Can't really see it, but I just put some swirls there, and now wherever my middle is, that's where I'm going to hang it. So I'm kind of eyeballing where his shoes are. It's going to be right about here. So what I'm going to do is I want it right here. Okay, and then I'll flip it over and show you. So now it's in the middle there. Okay, so DAP Rapid Fuse, it says sets in 30 seconds and then it takes 30 minutes to cure. So I'm just gonna kind of put some pressure on here with my thumb, but I'm also going to go around, it'll come out, go around the edge here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm squeezing it with my thumb, and then I'm gonna go right on the edge of this thing here. It just doesn't want to come out, and just give it a little extra hold here. I've had a lot of success with this, so I'm just gonna continue doing it this way. If you have a better way, do it your way. This is what works for me. So I'm just gonna go around and kind of create that barrier right there. So now what I do is, first of all, I need to find something to rest this on so I don't smash it. So let me get this right here. Okay, so now what I do is place something heavy here. Just take like a piece of paper or something, and then I just get something heavy. Let's get a bottle of paint, and what it's going to do is create that pressure on the glue to really squeeze it down on the back of the board. Okay. Hi Val, I love you too. Thank you for the stars. Hi Mom. Hi Nora Beth. Hi Linda. Andrea, Kim, hello. So normally I'll just leave this here for the half hour, let it do its thing. Let me go grab one that I've already done and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, hold on. Hi. So here is the Christmas one, and you can see that I moved it too soon and the glue started dripping, but that's okay. So here is the black cable tie mount. Glued it down, then I put glue all around the edge, and this, look, with a pipe cleaner, I just ran the pipe cleaner through, twisted it off, and then I retwisted it right here, and this is what I hang it with. Now I do jute string too. Let me see if I have one. I don't have one in here that I've done the jute string with, but you just feed whatever you're gonna do through the side, and then that's what you hang it with. So for you guys that don't like to get the holes in our wreath rails, this is another option. So let me hang this back up. And let's just say it's been a half an hour. I take this off and it would be all dry, but you can see it's still wet. So I'm just gonna leave it here. I do put something heavy on it just so it creates that bond, and it'll be fine. Now I gotta find this and balance it back there. So, hi Shayna, hi Georgie. Kim, I do leave it on there. I haven't had any issues with it coming off. We're in Las Vegas with high temperature in the summer, and even things hanging on my front door. It's not in direct heat, but it is facing towards the sun. We haven't had any problems with it, so. Yep, you can buy it at the hardware store. It looks like this. Let me grab another one. So I prefer the black ones, but I had some of these in here. I don't have any more black ones. So cable tie mounts, they look like that. They have the little holes on the side. You can take the sticky part off if you want. It's just a piece of sticky foam, but you do peel off. Make sure you peel this off, because this is going to come off if you don't. Peel off the backer. This is sticky. Put the glue and attach it. So I just leave this, and then it'll be ready to hang later. So that's all I have. I wanted to make sure I recorded this video, and I will be back later with a project. We are doing something, I don't know yet. The kids are here with me today. They have some work they have to catch up on from this week, and they cannot be trusted to do it on their own. So I have my teacher pants on today, cracking the whip. Amelia's here whispering. Why don't you say hi? Look, they can't see you. Just say hi before we go.
Hi.
Okay, guys, I'll see you later, and I hope this helps for those that don't get holes in their projects and want to hang their door hangers. So thanks for being here. I'll see you guys later today. Bye.